This is my side dish for my main dish.
This is wild amaranthus. This is growing on my compost, and this is super delicious and healthy. The seeds are even more healthy. So let's make a simple greens, which of course I'm going to eat with something which I'm not going to show you.
I divided them into the leaves and the stems. Even the stems are a delicacy. Add little bit of oil. In this, add garlic, ginger, green chili. Now you know that I am trying to make something oriental. What I love about amaranthus is the tender stems. They are like asparagus of India. Saute. Do not add any salt because we're going to add a sauce. We're going to add a stock which has got salt. This is the stock of the main meat. What I made with little bit of vinegar, soya sauce, everything is there in that. But I'm going to add some more soya sauce and mainly the taste giving oyster sauce. Add little bit of brown sugar, very little. Let this cook for 2-3 minutes till the stem part gets cooked. Now use this leaf and let this cook for 2 minutes and you have your side dish, that too with the greens ready, and you will enjoy it. Keep it little bit juicy but not so much, just little more of cooking. And the tasting part, let's see if this is cooked. Perfect for a side dish. Wow, look at this. The greens got the sheen from the reduced stock. Trust me, these beautiful shiny greens. Look at it. This is my side dish for my main dish, but make this, you will thoroughly enjoy. Absolutely boomba boomba. Even the stems, the greens, wow. Finally, you can sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds for that extra punch.
Eat with something which I'm not going to show you.